Hello and welcome to PQ Plus Video-Based Productivity Improvement. Using video to study and improve manufacturing opens in many cases truly new perspectives. Paper, pencil and stopwatch are utensils of the past century and should stay there. Looking at the video and its analytical evaluation with this web-based application from PQ Plus helps to focus on what is actually happening on the manufacturing floor instead of discussing hours about what everybody believes is happening. And you don't need a lean manufacturing guru to do that. Simply sign in with the given login information. The very simple starting point is to segment the video of a production process, a setup process, a tool or die change, or any other daily chores on the manufacturing floor into the basic activities an operator or a machine are performing. If you click here, you see this sequence of basic activities, called operations, for our example video. This gives you in principle a video-based documentation of the process. If you click on any entry, the media player jumps right to the beginning of this operation. If you click here, the video starts playing at this point. If you click again, it stops. Based on the activities, our application automatically determines if an operation is, in a lean sense, waste, here called loss or non-ergonomic, a supporting activity whose necessity should be critically evaluated, or real productive time, that means true value added. In this pie chart with the progress of the evaluation, you see how your process performs in terms of productivity. Now it is time to start analyzing. For a new operation, simply click here and the analysis window opens. The media player automatically jumps to the end of the previous operation. Let's click play and watch what the operator is doing. We stop the movie when he returns to the previous position. You saw that the operator has been doing quite some steps. That may seem exaggerated to you, and actually it is a bit for demonstration purposes. On the other hand, just compare this to a typical setup or tool change process at your own factory. To commence the actual analysis, first we click here to mark this frame as the end of the operation. Now we have to describe what the operator is doing in terms of activities. If you have MTM training, you will recognize these activities as the basic MTM activities. Please note that only assemble will be evaluated as green, value-adding time. All other activities are considered supporting with the exception of wait, which is obviously waste. We saw that the operator fetched a part, so the activity is take. You add it like this, remove it like this, or simply double-click. The part itself is the fog light bracket for the bumper. We choose it here. There were no tools used, however the operator did some steps. Please note how the color changes when I add the steps. So far the application considered this taking as a support activity. However, as soon as I add the steps, the program automatically marks this operation red for waste, so that later in a long video you can easily detect those sequences where you should first look for improvements. You may want to add the number of steps here as a comment or any other observation, remark, or of course improvement suggestion. Finally, we click here to save this operation. In the same way you may evaluate the rest of the video. Don't be afraid, you can change any operation by edit. We have done some of the first operations, which you will find when logging into PQ Plus Productivity by Video after this tutorial. After evaluating the entire movie, take a look at the result. In our demo movie, we have a lot of red operations. This is visually guiding you to these activities and enables an objective discussion about the situation and improvement measures. This way you can start to implement the basics of lean production beginning with a simple video. Of course, there's much more to do once you have established lean workplaces using video technology. Balancing the manufacturing line, improving flow by value stream analysis, and many other simple tools from PQ Plus portfolio will help you to achieve world-class productivity levels. Also try to apply video technology to setup or tool change processes. The results there regularly exceed 50% in gain productivity. Just get in touch with us at info@pq-partner.com to learn more. And now have fun using PQ Plus Productivity by Video.